Hey guys, so we are going to be looking at Got7's 7 edition. This thing is huge! Oh my gosh, and it's pretty heavy. But let's find a spot to tear her open. Ooh. I'm loving this like cream with gold magnetized box, which I'm loving. So let's gingerly rotate the sucker around. So it just says Got7 and our members' names. 7 editions. Alright, so let's... Oh! This... So I got Young Jay's flowers. So it looks like down here I might be able to rip it or cut it. So these are definitely, oh, here's where you tear it. Like preserved, air sucked out flowers. So I wonder if these are the member's birth flower or I'm not sure. I'll be honest, they look a little sad crumpled in like this. I think it kind of would have been cuter maybe if they did something like this and then had like a pressed flower, like had actually taken these off the stems and had pressed and preserved them and then put them on the back. I think that would have been a lot nicer. Because here it kind of just looks like a mess and I don't want to open it to re-aerate it or anything, but okay. I only think of that because it's like I purchased some pressed flowers myself. So, photo book, and looks like we get a bunch of other little goodies. Okay, let me set the box. Where do I got space? This box somewhere. Okay. Well, it's kind of creeping in. Sorry, it's gonna creep a bit. Until I put more weight in it. Okay, so let's start with this. What is this? What are you gonna be? Maybe like a journal or something? Diary, notebook. Love the design though. Same as the one on the photo book. So the photo book's all gold. We get some color here on this. Really pretty. The same kind of creamy color that the actual box is. Oh, so it is a count. Is this like their season's greeting? Oh, so we got our calendar. What do we got? Month view. Okay, so a couple months views. On Monday through Sunday. Ha ha ha. Weekly view. Oh my gosh, I need more coffee or something. And then I guess a different style week view. Okay. And then I feel like something's coming up. Just lined paper, gridded paper with the pattern design. I think it would be cool, plain white paper. I think it would be cool to scan this and turn it into like a nice big rubber stamp. I think that would be really pretty. Okay, and then it looks like we have clear stickers. Let's see. Ugh. Grab some white paper so they'll pop. So this is JB's sticker set. And then we have Mark's, Jackson's. These are so cute, the little eyes. And then Jin Young and Young Jay. I've been watching a lot of Wanggae, Parkgae photos or videos, which are of course Jackson and Jin Young. Ah, they're the funniest little cute things ever. I didn't know it was a thing. Okay, and then Bam Bam and Yugium. Okay. And we have, what is this? I don't know. Staring at it's not going to help me. It looks like a bookmark with the pattern on it or the design. I'll rip it open. Why not? So you get the string to tie. Gosh, I just got this huge waft of fruitiness. Oh my gosh. I thought something like, someone like sprayed the crap, like my neighbor's just sitting there spraying Febreze. But it's an air freshener. Because I got this strong perfume smell and I'm looking around like, what is, like, my air fresheners are never this strong in my house. But it's scented. I don't really know what it's say it is. Kind of like a florally, kind of mixed with like a new book smell. I don't know. But this is what smells. I started looking around my house like, did someone break in and Febreze my house or something? Oh, but that's what it is. Okay. So it's like a car air freshenery or hang it up air freshenery. Well, it's going to air freshen everything in the box. And then, do we just get one? It looks like, sorry, hold on, I'm going to have to hold it kind of close. It looks like Young Jay on it. So it looks like I got a photo of, I believe, Young Jay. It's a little dark, so. Alright, now for the big old photo book. I love these little gold corners. If you look really close, oops, sorry. If you look really close, there's almost like a little filigree pattern or design. Really nice. I love it. JB got his nose pierced? I don't know how I feel about that. Mark. Oh, that's so pretty. The little flower around his ear. That's nice. I buys Jackson. I believe Mark on Instagram posted a picture. I think it's for their teaser for their new album. They had like this little glitter on his face. I think I might die. I don't know what it is sometimes. I love those kind of photos for male groups. Like the softness, like soft lighting. And like the little glitters and delicate and flowers. And then for women, I'm like, I want them in like leather, hardcore, kicking butt photos. Grunged. I don't know. I just love the genderish stereotype flip. I always think those are some cool photos. Ooh. Of course, Bam Bam's gonna be looking good. He always looks so fashionable. Ooh. So it's like a floral, like, I don't know, rug or something. Welcome mat. Ooh, those eyes be popping. Mm-hmm. Oh, Jackson's latest solo track he dropped, 100 Ways. If you haven't seen it, a must watch. I have that song on repeat right now. And I think there's some kind of like TikTok challenge going on with it. I hope they come out with like a Jackson solo album with all these different solo tracks he's done. It's just like one thing and like a photo book of like all the music video shoots and everything. Oh, that'd be so cool. Just about everyone in Got7 has like a mole underneath their eye. See, here we go. Ooh, his eyes be piercing. Okay. Ooh, we got it. Something? Disc? Okay, hold on. I hate when they don't like leave me like a little circle or something, because I feel like I'm always gonna like rip this thing. So we got our cool floral pattern. Definitely really pretty. So disc, I didn't see anything on the box. Let me check the back of it again. About subtitles or anything like that. Advertise. Yeah, there's nothing on the back. So I have no idea about that. But there you go. Got7, 7th edition. So beautiful. Photos were, I would say maybe 6 or 7 out of 10. For me, I love the kind of the more floral ones. Of course, close-ups are my thing. That air freshener took me by surprise because when I opened it, like I said, I seriously thought someone broke in my house to Febreze. I was like, I don't know why. But, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Like, subscribe, and share if you want. And until the next video. Bye, guys.